Let's see the collocations with time, how we can use the word time in different ways, right? Different phrases with time. My first phrase is pass the time. She passes her time reading books. Means when she is idle, how she passes her time? She passes her time by reading books. She starts reading. This way she passes her time. My next phrase is spare time. Spare time means free time. What do you do in your free time? Means what do you do in your spare time? In his spare time, he likes to do painting. When he thinks he has free time, he sits with his painting and he starts doing painting. That we say that in his spare time, he likes to do painting. My next word is kill time. When we have nothing to do, what do? We just kill our time by playing, by watching TV like that. So we can say students should not kill their valuable time. The time for the students are very valuable. They have to study, they have to make their career. So in that time, they should not kill their time. How we can use in sentence? Students should not kill their valuable time by playing always. They should not always play. They should try to utilize their time. They should study hard to make their career, to get good results. My next phrase is in time. We arrived just in time for our train to Kolkata. Means the time was supposed 2 o'clock. The train was to come at 2 o'clock and we arrived just in time. Means before 5 minutes, before 7 minutes, like that we arrived and our train was to come at that time. So we can say we arrived just in time for our train to Kolkata. My next phrase is on time. What does it mean? See the example. We should pay, not play. We should pay all our bills on time. Means the due dates for the bills have been given. It is suppose 24th, it is given 24th, within the 24th you will have to pay the bill, or within 22nd you will have to pay the bill. So we should pay the bill within time. It should not cross 24th or 22nd, whatever the time has been given. So we will say that we should pay all our bills on time. My next phrase with time is leisure time. What does it mean? See, leisure time means when you are not in your regular duty. Means when whatever work you do every day, when you are free of that, you are not on duty, then we call it a leisure time. That means you are enjoying the time by playing or by doing some that type of work which you like that. So this is we call the leisure time when you are out of your regular course and basically you are enjoying the leisure hours by listening to music, playing with someone like that, or going for outing. So how we can use that in sentence? See, what do you do in your leisure time? We can ask someone like that. When you get free time after your work, after your job, in that time, what do you do? How do you spend your that time for enjoyment? Next phrase is spend time. See the example sentence. My father wants to spend a lot of time with my mother. They love each other so much and they love talking. My father wants to spend a lot of time with my mother. When he gets time, he goes and sits with her for talking. My next phrase is waste time. We should not waste our time just in gossiping. When we don't have any work, we don't have anything to do, that time we should not waste our time always. Sometimes you may gossip, but always we should not waste our time. My next phrase is have time. We have a lot of time for holiday. Means holiday will come it has not yet come and we have a lot of time left, means there is a gap. Holidays to come, but there is a lot of time for the holiday to come. Then we are using the word have time. Next is run out of time. When the time exceeds, you have been given a work to do, but you couldn't finish the work in that time and the time ran out. Then we are using this phrase, run out of time. See the example. I could not finish my papers. Why? Because I ran out of time. The time was given 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever, and I could not finish that in that time. So the time ran out of. Take your time. Next phrase is take your time. Suppose you are a slow child or a slow man and you cannot finish the work fast. So we will say that you need not to hurry. You need not to make it fast. You take your own time to finish the work. Means whatever time you require, you take that time to finish your work. I think you understood the topic and the different phrases for time. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share my videos to your friends and relatives. Thank you, friends.